Leo the lion wakes up with gentle sunshine in his cozy bedroom. His soft golden fur feels warm under his blanket. Mommy gives him a big morning hug. Today, she says, is Leo's very first day at school. Leo is quiet, listening to the birds outside. He wonders what school will feel like. Will he have fun? Leo snuggles Mommy, hoping everything will be safe and happy today. At the door to his bright classroom, Leo peeks in. There are other little animals playing with blocks and painting shapes. Some laugh, others build tall towers. The room is full of colors, sunshine, and happy sounds. Leo feels a flutter in his tummy. Everyone looks so busy. Leo squeezes his mommy's paw and takes one brave step inside. Leo finds a soft, round mat by the window. He sits there quietly, watching the other animals play. He wants to say hello, but the words feel stuck. His little paws tremble just a bit. Today, Leo wants so much to make a friend, but it feels scarier than a thunder boom. Leo stays quiet, hoping someone plays near him. Leo watches a little bunny and a puppy giggle together with blocks. They build a wobbly house and knock it down. Leo smiles softly, wishing he could laugh with them too. But his voice is very small. When someone looks his way, Leo's face grows warm and he hides behind his soft tail, feeling unsure. The teacher, Miss Owl, sings a welcome song. Leo tries to hum, but his voice shakes. Shapes and bright letters fill the walls. The other animals sing loudly. Leo wants to try, but his heart thumps like a tiny drum. He wonders, what if he makes a mistake? Leo stays extra quiet, wishing for courage. Snack time comes. Leo sits at a tiny round table with his lunchbox. Around him, children laugh and share fruit. Leo's hands feel slow. He wants to join, but his mouth stays closed. He watches a kitten giggle at silly apple shapes. Leo feels a small tear in his eye. Making friends feels so hard. When playtime starts, Leo sees a soft red ball rolling his way. It stops right at his paws. Leo looks up. Across the room, a smiling puppy waves at him. The puppy bounces up and down, waiting. Leo's tummy feels funny. Should he pick up the ball? He thinks, maybe this is his chance to try. Leo's paws feel shaky, but he gently taps the soft ball back to the puppy. The puppy catches it and giggles. Leo smiles, just a little one at first. The puppy rolls the ball again, closer and closer each time. Leo's paws start to feel stronger. Maybe, just maybe, playing isn't so scary after all. The puppy scoots closer, sitting next to Leo. "Hi, I'm Benny," he says with a happy wag. Leo's cheeks feel warm, but he smiles bigger now. He says, "I'm Leo." Benny and Leo roll the ball back and forth. It feels nice to play together. Other friends notice and start to watch too. Miss Owl sees Leo and Benny playing. She gives Leo a big, proud smile. "That looks like so much fun," she says. Leo's tail wiggles happily. Soon, a little duck and the kitten join their game. Leo shows them how to roll the ball in gentle turns. He feels braver with each turn. Leo laughs as the ball rolls and everyone cheers. His shy worry feels smaller now. He feels warm inside, like a sunny day. The little duck gives Leo a happy high five with a soft wing. Leo grins wide, proud of himself. Making friends feels good in his heart. He wants to play more. Cleanup time comes. Leo helps Benny and his new friends put toys away. He sings a little song as they sort colorful blocks into bins. Everyone works together and claps when the room is tidy. Leo feels strong and special, knowing he can help. Friends smile at him and say, "Thank you, Leo." It is time to say goodbye. Leo's mommy is waiting by the door with a big, gentle hug. Leo runs to her, feeling happy in his heart. He tells her, "I played with friends." Mommy hugs Leo close and says she is so proud. Leo feels safe, loved, and not so little anymore. On the walk home, Leo holds Mommy's paw tightly. He remembers the funny ball game, the friendly faces, and the happy cheers. Leo's heart feels like it is glowing. Tomorrow, he knows, there will be more play and more friends to make. Leo gives Mommy a soft, sleepy smile. Making friends can be wonderful. At bedtime, Leo cuddles his soft blanket and whispers, "I did it." He remembers how scary making friends felt. Now, he feels proud and warm. Mommy kisses Leo's head and tucks him in. Leo closes his big amber eyes, thinking about his kind friends. Tomorrow will be another happy, brave day for Leo.